na photo. So, just talk to give Ariana mo. Look, what's this? What is this? Mosquito, kagat. What? What's happened?
I Wawa, because a mosquito bite me.
The mosquito bite you?
Yes.
What's happened? Why the mosquitoes bite you? Ariana, look at the Ati's arm. Look at Ati's arm, Ariana. Ariana, look at Ati's arm. What's happened, Ate? What's happened to your arm?
Because I want it. Because a mosquito bite me.
Oh, the mosquitoes bite you. Can you finish your didi na?
Yes. Here.
Here. Finish your didi.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Ate's finish her didi. Nana. Are you finish your didi? Huh? Nana. Nana. Ate.
Yeah.
Hug baby sister dali.
Yeah.
Hug baby
Go
sister.
to sleep.
Huh?
Go to video.
Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Hello
Where's the
guys.
monster, guys?
Where's the monster guys?
Baby's in the bus.
Yeah? What's happened to the monster guys?
Baby monster is in the bus. Baby monster got Bobo.
No, why?
Baby the monster.
Because
The monster I want to go.
what's happened to monster?
Because the monster in the bayay go because my toy in the monster.
Hmm? Ariana. Hey, I love you. I love you, my dear Ariana Ganda. Mama love you so much. Love you. Ate Ashlyn, what are you doing? Ate Ashlyn. Ashlyn, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Have my food.
You crack you cut your food? What? What's that? What kind of food that? Huh? What kind of food? Macy? What food that? Huh?
Can
Kiwi, Macy or kiwi? What? How about the other? What is that? What is that? No. It's a guava. What's that? No, why are you tawa? It's an guava. Can you cut your guava? Food?
Yeah.
Fruits. Ariana. Ariana, love, love. Mahal.